is not good enough. Mariah doing the cinnamon challenge. Hope she don't die. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm gonna need this.
No, you don't get it till after you do it.
Okay, ready? How do you even...
What?
Oh, tell Princeton I love him.
Swallow it.
I'm not gonna swallow.
Here, Mariah. Mariah. Here. Ew, your teeth. Ew, your teeth. Did it burn? Did it burn? Is it burning?
My mouth is tingly.
I want to see what other challenges there are.
I'll do the milk one if we have some cookies.
Yeah.
Is it red? Is it red?
What?
My mouth.
Your lips brown.
That's cute. I have cinnamon all over.